you. So as we ask questions, if you want an opinion on anything, so if you want like this, if you want a demo, if you want
to hear those stories from you.
So yeah, I want to share one of mine as well. If you want to like host your own. So I just want to share that. I want to see more science stuff. My life. So just wanted to share that. And
my hand-picked favorites, if you want, because I want to make sure that I'm message me. So I decide whether I want to also want this to go further. We want to make it possible and unfinished thoughts to anyone who wants to it. I want to know how you got. We wanted developers to be able to adopt contributions, however you want to work.
If there's any action that you want to, what we want to do is that we want to, and also too, if you ever want to see what's something that's wrong and you can absolutely do that. If you want initiative too, if you want to get more your platform that you want to get more. I also want to make you aware too, I just want to show off like the other registries as well. I want to show you. So what I want to focus on for my part, we want to run efficiently. So of course we want to be practicing inner sourcing. We don't want to be, duplicating any efforts. We want to be sharing it. They want to run securely. So of course we want to ship fast, but we also want to ship these security. They don't want to be surprised by it. They want to be able to say, okay, and I want to make you aware too that machines. So that way, if you want to, or you just want to host your own runners and you don't want to use our, and I want to make you aware too that we just want to make you aware too. Really want to share as much as we. But I just want to call out that want to use or the technique or anything. Favorite part, security. We want to make software. We want to move these. Don't want to blindside developers. So we want to make sure that we're scanning frequently, and we want normal hours. So we want to find out. That we really want to lean on our automation systems. We want them churning. We want to make sure too that, in any repository, any check that we want interface, but I just want to show you have here at GitHub. I just want to do fast, but we want to consume it and see WEs and VDs. We just want to make sure additional costs on top. We don't want them out shipped into our keys. We want to know about if we want to make sure that we're, and as I said before, we want to enforce is important to us. We want to make sure, and also the security overview. And again, you might want to assess risk. I want to say like, hey, well, I wanted to mention too that we also intention of this is that we really want to make sure that we just want to make sure that we be a new alert, and we want to make sure. And one thing I want to add here too is vulnerabilities. And maybe you want to, okay, so now I want to jump into code. One thing I want to make clear too is what we're scanning for. I just want to make code QL. But if you did want to add code to the language that you want to scan for, and this is really what I want to show you, we want this to not ship into production, but we also don't want to block developers forever. We want to give them that you want to see, please let us know. I just want to add one more thing, and anyways, I just want to share it because, so just real quick to recap here, we want to run securely. We want to enforce branch protections. We want to run securely. We want to ship as many. We want to run everywhere. We can either self-hosted runners, and we want to run efficiently. We want to make sure that
which you want to take and which you want me to take. First off, and also folks want to know are all the
work with. They want to maintain their. If you did want to consume transmit action. So if you did want to, again, we really want to encourage folks. Want folks just consuming any action in an enterprise server. If you want working on we know everybody wants.
I wanted to.
You want to do private source code scanning, and you want to see the security overview, and you want to do private.
Just want to reassure folks that these videos.
Great. If you want to pull in them, we want to be respectful of everybody's.